After months of anticipation, the formation of 8th Pay Commission was approved in January. But now, all eyes are on one key question. How much will salaries and pensions actually increase? The biggest topic of debate right now is the fitment factor, and here's why it matters. So, what exactly is this fitment factor? In simple terms, it's a multiplier that decides how much your salary or pension will rise after the Commission's recommendations. The higher the fitment factor, the bigger the increase in pay or pension. And right now, there are speculations on whether the fitment factor would be 2.57 or lower. A senior member of the National Council Joint Consultative Machinery, which is NCJCM, which is an official platform to resolve disputes between government and its employees through dialogue, has recently said that the fitment factor should be at least 2.57, which was the rate set by the 7th Pay Commission. Last year, reports had indicated that the demand for fitment factor could be 2.86. If such a demand is formally made and accepted by the Commission, and if the government agrees to this, then the minimum wage could jump from 18,000 rupees to 51,480 rupees. Similarly, the minimum pension could increase from 9,000 rupees to 36,000 rupees. But not everyone agrees. Former Finance Secretary Subhash Garg has stated that asking for a 2.86 fitment factor is like asking for the moon. He believes that the government might settle on something closer to 1.92. So, why is 2.57 as a fitment factor necessary? An NCJCM member pointed out that the 7th Pay Commission used a formula from the 1957 Indian Labour Conference and Dr. Icaroid's minimum living wage theory to decide the 2.57 fitment factor. But those formulas are outdated, he argued. Today's inflation levels are far higher, and employees deserve a pay rise that reflects the current economic reality. If the 8th Pay Commission ends up recommending 2.57 as the fitment factor, then minimum wage would rise to 46,260 rupees and the minimum pension could go up to 23,130 rupees.